You see products like these all the time. 7 times 23, 6 times 34, 8 times 45, 1 digit times 2 digits. They are easy to write down, but they are hard to see at a glance. Can you do one in your head right now? Pause the video. Try 7 times 23 in your head. Here is a hint. What if you split 23 into 20 and 3? Here's the move. A product is just the area of a rectangle. This one is 7 tall and 23 wide. 23 is the awkward part. So we cut the rectangle at the tens line. 23 is 20 plus 3. The big slab is 7 times 20. That is 140. The thin strip is 7 times 3. That is 21. Now add the two slices back. 140 plus 21. And the standard way agrees. Same area. 2 easy steps instead of 1 hard one. Let us do it again. 6 times 34. Cut 34 at the tens. 30 plus 4. The big slab is 6 times 30. That is 180. The thin strip is 6 times 4. That is 24. Add the slices back. Same move every time, just a different split. Now it is your turn. A speed round. Break each one apart in your head, then beat the timer. This is the break-apart rule. If a factor is awkward, break it into tens and ones, multiply each part, then add the slices back. Look for a 1-digit times a 2-digit. 1 rectangle, many cuts. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.